Kia ora, I'm Te Aroha from a little town called Kaio. Why I think immunisations are important? It builds your baby's immune system for when it actually has to fight the virus when they're older. I'm here today because my parents, they immunised me, and I'm thankful for that because I'm going to do the same thing for my boy. I want him to be healthy, and I want his immune system to fight all those viruses. Talk to your hauora Māori and community provider or GP practice to make an informed decision about immunisations. Discuss any concerns you have and feel free to make an appointment if immunisations is right for you and your whānau. Hāpaitia Ngā Whānau, and let's uplift the wellness of our whānau.